In Hindu mythology, the universe is not just a collection of stars and galaxies, it's a vast cosmic order, carefully balanced and preserved. At the heart of this balance stands Lord Vishnu, the protector, the sustainer, and the preserver of the universe. Vishnu is one of the principal deities in the Hindu trinity, known as the Trimurti, alongside Brahma, the creator, and Shiva, the destroyer. But Vishnu's role is distinct. While Brahma brings the world into existence and Shiva ultimately brings it to an end, Vishnu ensures that everything in between functions with harmony. He is often depicted lying on the infinite cosmic serpent Ananta Shesha, symbolizing eternity. Beside him is goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, signifying that sustenance is not just physical, but also spiritual and material well-being. Each of the objects Vishnu holds in his four hands carries deep symbolism. The conch, Shankha, represents the primordial sound of creation, often associated with the sacred syllable Om. The discus, Chakra, symbolizes the power of the mind and the destruction of ignorance, always ready to restore cosmic order. The mace, Gada, stands for strength, authority, and protection, a reminder of Vishnu's role as a guardian of righteousness. Meanwhile, the lotus, Padma, signifies purity, detachment, and spiritual awakening, blooming untouched even in muddy waters. But Vishnu doesn't simply sit back and watch the universe. Whenever Dharma, cosmic law, and righteousness is threatened, and when evil begins to rise, Vishnu intervenes. This is where his avatars or incarnations come in. The most famous are the Dashavatara, the 10 principal incarnations of Vishnu. Each avatar appears in a specific era, tailored to address the unique challenges of the time. It begins with Matsya, the fish, who saves the first man Manu and sacred scriptures from a great flood. Then comes Kurma, the turtle, who supports the mountain used by gods and demons to churn the ocean for the nectar of immortality. Next is Varaha, the boar, who lifts the earth from the cosmic ocean after it was dragged down by a demon. Following him is Narasimha, the half-man, half-lion, who protects his devotee Prahlad and defeats the demon king Hiranyakashipu in a form that defies all expectations. Each avatar is more than just a story. It's a metaphor. They show how Vishnu adapts to each age, each problem, each imbalance, offering a solution that fits the time. In the Vamana avatar, he takes the form of a dwarf and teaches the demon king Bali a lesson in humility. Then comes Parashurama, the warrior with an axe, who rides the world of corrupt kings. Rama, the prince of Ayodhya, sets an example of duty, honor, and sacrifice in the epic Ramayana. Then there's Krishna, the most celebrated avatar, whose teachings in the Bhagavad Gita have inspired generations. He is playful, wise, strategic, and deeply philosophical, a perfect balance of heart and mind. The 9th avatar, Buddha, reflects compassion and non-violence, guiding people away from ritualism and toward inner realization. And finally, the yet-to-come Kalki, who is said to appear at the end of the current age Kali Yuga to cleanse the world and restart the cycle of time. Through these avatars, Vishnu doesn't just intervene. He becomes a part of the world's story, walking among us, feeling what we feel, teaching by example.